Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Avilash and I am a full-time trader by profession. So in this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of US dollar, Canadian dollar for 22nd March 2021. So this analysis is for 22nd March only. You'll be seeing me tomorrow again with the analysis for 23rd March. And please do subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis, and do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. So let's jump to the chart and let me uh, zoom in. Okay, zoom in so that you can see clearly, and let me take out my pencil. So we can see that markets is trading here, and the last traded price is 1.2503. This is the last traded price, and we can see that market is in downtrend. Okay, market is in downtrend. Market was in consolidation for a while in this range. Okay, but after that market resumed, or market continued its downtrend. So right now the good news is that market is getting resistance from the 50 moving average. That's why I have mentioned 50 MA as the R1 or the resistance here. So on Monday you need to watch. Okay, so on Monday you need to watch after the opening how the price is reacting and where the price is opening. Okay, if you see that market opens somewhere around here or below the 50 moving average, just try to observe the price. If you see that yes, 50 moving average is still a valid resistance for the market, okay, then just wait for the confirmation. Okay, because market is almost trading at the resistance, so that's a good sign. Once you get the confirmation that in the form of a price rejection from above, like this candle, okay, once you get a confirmation that yes, price is being rejected from above, okay, or a big red candle like this, okay, then it will be an indication or a confirmation that yes, sellers are still present in the market who are not allowing the market to go up. Okay, and 50 moving average is a valid resistance for the market. In that case, you can go ahead and short the market below 50 MA. Okay, below 50 MA you can go ahead and short the market. And you can see that 1.2365. Okay, I have mentioned it in the form of support, but this is not a extreme support or a strong support for the market. Okay, but still you need to observe if you short the market here. Okay, as this is a seller's market right now. Okay, so therefore we will mainly be looking for shorting the market opportunity. So if you get the opportunity and short the market here, then you need then this will be your first target, 1.2365. And when market will be near this level, okay, just be careful and just try to observe the price. Okay, just try to understand the market psychology, because from this price level, okay, market bounce. Okay, and just look at the price rejection. Okay, there was some price rejection from below. Okay, so there is a chance that if market comes down to this level, okay, buyers may try to take the market upward. Okay, price may bounce off from here. Okay, so if you short here, you can also book your profits in by this level. Okay, and if you see that sellers are dominating the market, then you can go on with your trade. But tomorrow you just need to understand uh, and wait for the confirmation, okay, before you short the market. Okay, so 50 moving average is your main thing that you need to look for. Okay, so hopefully you have understood, and if you have liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. See you tomorrow again with the analysis of other currency pairs, and do not forget to subscribe. Do check out the uh, website. The link is in the description. Thank you so much.